Hi everybody, welcoming you all back to me and mine. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So yes, this vlog hasn't gone as planned. I was hoping at this point I'll be saying to you guys, yep, business name has been registered, I'm going to get on with my promotions and my marketing, but that is not the case. So since my last upload, I've been busy setting up my business, doing my logo, my website. I bought my domain name, my website is live, and I thought to myself, do you know what, before I get to Jamaica, let me attempt to register my business online. I'm having issues, okay? So at present, the business is not registered yet, and I was thinking twice about uploading this video, but I thought to myself, do you know what? I need my subscribers and my viewers to see the reality of what I'm going through, the realism. So I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm going to get into it, and I hope you enjoy. Hello everybody, welcome to the Companies Office of Jamaica website. This is the company that's responsible for the reservation and registration of business names and companies, okay? So I've reserved my business name, I reserved it on the 8th of August and it's been reserved for 30 days, all right? So I've got until the 6th of September to actually try and register this business. I do apologize about the speech bubbles. I wasn't able to mute them, but they are needed because my name has not been registered yet and I don't feel comfortable revealing my business name without it being registered. But just to let you know, guys, when you register your name, you must complete the online registration form. If you look on the right hand side, you will see the sections that need to be completed. Name, filing information and form saved. That's just you saving the form as you go along. You do not need to be in Jamaica to register your name, but the business has to be running from Jamaica and you need an address, okay, a registered address that you can put on the form. So here I'm just showing you the structure of my company, because when you're completing this registration form, you also need to note the structure of your company, and I'm going to be trading as a sole trader. It's just me. All right. So as you know, or as you should know, or if you don't know, I'm going to be letting you know that when you're running a business, there are different structures that you can run your business by, whether that's a partnership or a limited company. But I don't have anybody investing in this with me. I'm doing it on myself, so I'm going to be registering as a sole trader. Okay, so I have completed the sections that I needed to fill in, and I was just double checking my form at this stage, so just checking the branches, business owners, other information, and the filing information to ensure that I have completed my application correctly. And the next step is to validate this information. All right, guys, it's like the next day, and I wasn't able to send off for the I wasn't able to send my registration form. Reason being, I need to upload some documents. They want some ID and proof of address, and Jamaicans being backwards, I'm not able to upload JPG files, meaning images. So I've got to actually go to a shop, get my document scanned and send it, upload it as a document, okay? So yeah, that's what I'm on my way to do now, and next clip I should hopefully be uploading those documents. So at this point, my documents had been uploaded. If you can see there, they're uploaded as PDF files. So for anybody that might be thinking about starting a business in Jamaica, guys, if you're going to be doing this online, they don't accept photos, because I thought I could just take a picture and upload the picture, but no, I had to scan it. All right. So that's obstacle 1, okay, which I managed to jump over, and let's see how the validation goes. Okay, so this here is one of my major obstacles, okay? This is what's actually stopping me from completing this online registration. If you look at the form sections, you can see that I've got 2 sections that are not completed. They're not green, all right? That's the business owners and the filing information. And what's actually happening is after putting in my name and my TRN and pressing validate, I'm getting these messages. Now, these messages are stating that my TRN is invalid. I'm confused. I've had my TRN since 2016, all right? If you've seen the video where I was talking about the paperwork that I already have in order, how I've managed to prepare myself, I actually spoke about getting my TRN via a third party. TRNs don't expire, so I actually do not understand how it's invalid. Okay, so I've been unable to complete the registration because of this, and I'm now in the process of attempting to sort this out. Okay, guys, so this here is an email that I've actually sent to the customer support team, and here I'm just explaining the issues that I'm having. To my surprise, they actually responded rather quickly. I sent my email at 3 p.m. and they had actually responded by 20 past 3. And to say that I was impressed is an understatement, as I was not actually expecting a response from them for about at least a month. You know how Jamaicans stay when you're conducting business. But yes, their response actually didn't answer any of my questions. If you're looking at the screen now, this is what they've sent me, and that's literally just a breakdown of how to register your business. This is what I need. This information is not what I needed. So what I did was I've gone ahead and I've emailed the website support team, and they've been a little bit more supportive. They've actually asked my business name and they've asked for the TRN that I'm inputting. So what I've done is I've responded back to that team and I've sent them the information that they've requested for. Um, so they have responded and they've confirmed that there's no matching TRN to my TRN. So at this point, I'm getting mad and I'm thinking to myself, this can't be right. So what I've done now is I've gone ahead and I've emailed the tax office for clarification. All right, just making sure I ask whether my TRN expires, because I know they don't expire, but I just needed this reassurance. So I've emailed the tax office on the 10th of August. This is practically the same day that I've emailed everybody else, and they've responded confirming my TRN is invalid and that they don't expire. The lady that responded to my email, she's given me a few numbers to call. What she's told me to do is, just contact the tax office and let them know what I'm going through. But I said to myself, I am not going to sit here running up my phone bill or spending money on a phone card to phone a tax office for a number that I already have. Okay, so due to the fact that I got my TRN from a third party, I said to myself, do you know what, I'm going to go back to Tropical Connections and I'm going to speak with her. So that's exactly what I've done. So I've gone ahead and I've emailed Miss Smith. She is the lady that got me my TRN. She owns her own business and her business is called Tropical Connections. And as I record this voiceover, she's actually already responded and she's waiting for me to give her a call. So what I'm going to do is I'll be speaking with her today and I'm going to be letting you all know the outcome of that video. All right. Now, usually when I find myself in a little bit of a pickle like this, I try to make myself feel better by looking for something positive from the situation. So I'm going to say that I'm really grateful I've discovered this now while I'm still here in the UK and not in Jamaica. This gives me the opportunity to try and rectify this issue before I leave. And, if I was in Jamaica trying to register my business name and I discovered this, let me tell you, I would be cussing some serious bad word. All right. So luckily, my name is reserved until the 6th of September. I aim and I do hope that this issue can be rectified by then. But on another note, I've got 8 weeks to go and my flight has been paid for. It's all starting to feel really real now. Okay. But with this obstacle I'm facing with this business registration, I'm going to end this video with a quote from the legendary Buju Banton, who says, "It's not an easy road."